Hello everyone, thank you for joining with Azure with Umesh YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about the Azure NAT Gateway, which is one of the main important topic because of on September 30th of this year, Microsoft will be retire default outbound access for virtual machine in Azure. This means in the net that newly created virtual machine after this date will not have automatic internet connectivity. So basically that means let's say you have an existing virtual machine which doesn't have IP address attached to its own NIC. Still you will be able to access the internet, but going forward after the September 30th you will be not able to connect to outbound connectivity using your virtual machine which doesn't have IP address attached to its own IP NIC network interface, right? So this will be the main concern that we can talk about the Azure NAT Gateway. What are the capabilities? So for that Azure VM outbound connectivity thing, so Microsoft will be providing you a solution like directly attach IP address to your own NIC, as well as you can utilize Azure load balancer outbound rules. But the main the best method will be the Azure NAT Gateway. So let's talk about the Azure NAT Gateway, how we can utilize that service to going forward. So from this document itself, Microsoft official documentation, you can read this entire documentation. I'm not going to through entire documentation. As you can see here, you can see you have virtual machine which is connected to the existing virtual network subnet, and we have here Azure NAT Gateway, and it has a public IP address, or you can utilize public IP prefix to utilize multiple IP address, public IP addresses. So as you already know, NAT is a network address translation service. You can utilize this service to access the outbound connectivity from your Azure virtual machine, right? So this service actually have multiple benefits. It's very straightforward, very simple to configure. We don't need to create a route table or additional configuration inside your virtual machine, and it has a very secure communication, and it's built on zero trust network security model, and it's resilient and scalable. It has very in terms of the performance, it has good performance in terms of this service. Let's go into navigate our demo environment. This is the demo environment that I have created. So as you can see, I have existing virtual machine which is demo NAT VM. It has attached public IP address to its own NIC, and I have jump server to access this particular VM from this jump server. So now it utilizing this demo NAT VM IP to connect to the outbound. So let's see what kind of IP address now it's using to access the public internet. So this is the public IP utilizing .96. This is the IP address. So let's remove that IP address from this NIC. To do that, I'm going to the IP address and click on disassociate. So it will be removed from this own NIC, right? It's successfully removed from its NIC. Let's navigate to the resource group. Now it doesn't have a public IP address attached to its own NIC, right? So let's check how we can utilize the Azure NAT Gateway to connect outbound from the internet connectivity through the NAT Gateway, right? So let's create a NAT Gateway. To do that, let's click on this. You can search here NAT gateways like this and click on that and click on create NAT Gateway, and you can select your resource group from here, resource group, then type the NAT gateway name here, demo. I will type demo NAT gateway. Then you can select your preferred region from here, from this drop down. If you want to utilize zone, because from South Asia it has multiple zones, you can select the whatever preferred zone if you want. From here I will not choose any other zone, and you can select the what you call TCP idle time from here. It will be range up to from 4 to 120. I will keep default value here. Next, click on next outbound IP. From here, this is the IP address or public IP address prefix that will be utilized from this Azure NAT Gateway. If you want to utilize public IP straight or one public IP or multiple public IP that you have existing IP addresses from this drop down list, or you can create new what you call the public IP prefix. It will be utilized a range of public IP addresses. So I have existing public IP prefix, so I will be going ahead and click from here, tick that prefix, then click on subnet. This is the virtual network that we need to associate for this NAT gateway. So my let me navigate to the particular resource group. So I have this is the VM, this is the virtual network that connected to this virtual machine. So I will be select that VNet from here, and it has single subnet, the default one. I'm selecting that subnet from here. If you have multiple subnet, if you want to select only few of them, you can do that as well. Once you select the VNet and the subnet, just click on review and create. Validation is passed. Now you just click on create. This will take some time, around 1 to 2 minutes, to create this entire Azure NAT Gateway and association with this virtual network. Okay, the deployment is succeeded. Now just click on go to resource. This is the NAT gateway that we have created. Okay, this is the overview page. You can see the associated subnets. If you have associated public IP addresses, public IP prefixes, it will be visualized here. Okay, I will go to outbound IP. See, this is the associated public IP addresses or IP address prefixes, because I have already select my existing public IP prefixes here. If you want to add additional IP addresses from here, you just need to click on edit, and you can just attach whatever the IP address or IP address prefix that you want to add here. And let me navigate to subnet. From here you can see, if you want to associate or disassociate the virtual network, you can do that from here. You just need to click on here, disassociate. If you want to change the virtual network, from here you can click on this drop down and select the virtual network that whatever you want to change, right? Of course you can change the subnet as well. Okay, now our what you call the virtual machine should be utilize this particular NAT gateway to access the outbound public internet, right? Let's check what kind of IP address now this virtual machine is utilizing, right? To do that, I will run the command again. Okay, the IP address is different, right? Previously it will be 0.96.96, now it .19. Let's check what kind of IP address range that we gave to what you call the NAT gateway. Okay, navigate to this public IP prefix. This is the IP address range that we utilizing. As you can see, it utilizing this IP address from this range. This is very straightforward. You don't need to worry about additional configuration, route tables, or any other configurations in terms of connecting the NAT gateway to an existing virtual machine. It is very straightforward. You just need to create that particular NAT gateway and associate your virtual machine subnet. From here you can see the subnet that virtual machine connected. You just need to associate that particular subnet to your NAT gateway. Okay, that is all for today. So if you have any questions or concerns, please drop a comment down below in comment section. Okay, thank you very much.